heard you had a really good staff here, and I applied for the district, and I got a call from Mr. Duracek, and so I came and interviewed, and I was very excited to get hired here. I heard it was very good staff.
Where did you work before on Station?
I've worked at a lot of places. I've been a customer relations manager at a Ford dealership. I worked in the district before, and I taught dance, and just a whole bunch of different things.
What do you most like about Monty?
The kids, the students, they're awesome. Give me 1 second. They're supposed to be 46.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza.
What college did you go to?
I went to UNO.
Thank you for